Let's see. You guys see what the game I'm playing? It's called a Twisted. Twisted. Just spawn. Oh my gosh, 5,000! Oh my gosh! I'm lucky! That gave me a huge upgrade. Oh my gosh, it's tip 1. No! No! Go back! Please. No, let me in! Please! My car sucks. Oh my gosh! Ooh, there's so many people that dance and they go in the car 'cause I'm so bad. Who's that, Verity? What is that? What is that? Brother. But, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that's so big. No way, my friend joined. Let me say hello. What's his name? He's wondering why I look like this. He doesn't talk that much. That's bad. Okay, good. Hey, it's me. It's Verity. What? No. Hey, it's me. It's Verity. No, wait, it's hey, it's me, it's Verity. I know, no doubt, a million views. What's the specialty of France? What's the specialty of France? Oh, oui. It's a curry. Yes. But what does a cow say? Moo. A steak for 2. What the heck? You left me! What the heck, man? Alright. Man, that's so unfair. I didn't even get to have 10 seconds. Oh my gosh. That's actually really mean. Oh my gosh. This game actually connected. Oh my god. I am. I did for this? Oh my gosh, let's suck that guy. No, I'm having so much fun. I love talking to myself. That's probably me. You're not talking to yourself. You're talking to me. No, I'm not. I go so much faster than all these. Oh my gosh, my friend blinked me again. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't want to do this alone. I want this making more entertaining. No? You know? Like literally. My kinda. Like there, he should have took a left. Oh my gosh. Take out. Take these out now. Oh my gosh, no one loves you too. That does do this. It's just dust, right? The tornado gone? Is that another tornado? Oh my gosh, imagine seeing a tornado like come up to us. No, that's just dust. We're like 65 miles per hour. Someone's right there! This is where it ended. You see it! But that's probably just... Let's just server hop. I ain't ending the video here. Music fire. Isn't. Where, oh my gosh, if there's white, there's no white, only dark red. Alright, so I'm in the dark green. I'm in like okay, so there's a tornado over here. Yeah. Are buns those. But they are super duper bions. You know, a problem for our generation. Building suspended like say, building a rock or mommy, a tower. Oh my gosh. The same server? Oh. There's a tornado right here. Right here. Going right. Oh! Literally where I was looking. Look. I told you. I told you. I told you. Even though I have no idea what that means. Starbucks. No, I meant Starbucks. Starbucks. I didn't say anything else. Hey, wanna go to Starbucks? Oh yeah, I would love to. I think we might end the video right here. Okay, good. I thought that was tornado. Oh my gosh. Just make it where your skin gets ripped off. Alright, I think I might end it here. No, I'm gonna take like a 2 video break from tornado games. I don't want my channel to be a tornado game. Or tornado channel. Alright, so